Wikaro Limuru County ya Kiambu.
Going to create a way where the swamp does not overflow. I mean, it's not a threat to human beings. So, but it is a natural swamp. It collects water naturally. But we can't do it also because the swamp is also very important for what we call groundwater recharge, which we get our water from. Like now, we have about 3 boreholes for Limuru water who are here. We have already sent our team and even dams. We have sent our team outside to assess our dams to give us the conditions. I'm happy to say that for now I have not gotten any dam that has shown some signs of weakness and all that. Our people are assessing the conditions. So, but we are there. Our team are out. I have already directed the water companies to go around. Our sub-county admin and municipal managers are also out looking for areas that need attention.
Aikari aria me njira-ini cia mai ni moritio guthama na ihenya gutigirira undu uyu ndunahanika ringi. Minister wa mai na maria maturigicĩirie akiaria ni oritie family iria ihutĩtio itigacokereria nginyagia riria gugatigirirwo mai ni mathira na nyumba ni njega cia guikarika.
Along the waterways, because we don't know how long the rain will going to come, they should move away because this is a disaster in waiting. In this area there are more than 10 families, parents, mothers and fathers, but we want to thank the county government of Kiambu because they have come very fast, and together with the people you see here, we've tried and evacuated the people who are around the houses, and we urge them not to go back to those houses until this water is cleared and those houses are declared habitable for living.
Muingi ni worotete thirikari ya kaunti ni kiria marauga ni gwitikira waki wa nyumba njira-ini ici cia mai.
Watu wametumia njia ya maji kama ardhi ya kusewa watu ili wafanye investment, wajenge manyumba yao katika njia ya maji. Inahatarisha maisha ya wale ambao wanaishi mahali pale. Kwa hivyo ningeomba kwamba kaunti ya Kiambu iweze kukasa kamba kuhakikisha kwamba riparian yote mahali ambapo ni njia ya maji waingilie kati na kuhakikisha kwamba hakuna mtu ambaye anajenga mahali pale au amekaribia mahali pale, ili tuweze kuzuia, tupatie haki ya maji iweze kupita na wanadamu wakae mahali wanastahili.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, Njitago Wangui wa Muriuki.